Hi, this is Neetu Chandra and you're watching me on BehindWoods.com. Well, I play a very different character in Adi Bhagwan. It's a secret right now, so I would just reveal it with the film coming out on 24th January. I would just say it's my best character ever done. I don't know the meaning of just the commercial heroine. I just know if it is 2 scenes or 20 scenes, it has to be a very important role. Hopefully I'm throughout the film and I'm also waiting, fingers crossed.
I'm leaving some and come to you on trust. Do you know the risk involved in this? Do you know the place where you're going? If they find you involved, you'll be a dead.
Well, I should answer this after the film releases, that I've done the stunts or not. Maybe it's just a rumor, but you should wait and see it and then ask me this question. Lots to learn from Ravi and Aamir sir. Aamir sir is a professional, thorough professional, a perfectionist. I think a legend like him should be, are very few. I have been working with him for 2.5, 3 years now, and I feel that I have changed as a person, as a human being, as an actor also. I have evolved as an actor. Lot of depth which I have learned from him. As a character, we have taken the character together ahead. So I think one thing which I have learned from Aamir sir is patience. With Ravi, it has been a very fun trip. He's a buddy now. It's 2.5, 3 years now. His wife has also become a friend, Aarti. So it's a team now, and he's a great actor. Very sincere, very positive, very calm. So I had lots of fun. Because the cooperation which I got from Ravi, the language is not my language, so a lot of times he has really helped me in saying my dialogue, pauses and everything. So thanks to Ravi and thanks to Aamir sir for making me a part of Adi Bhagwan. Lots of variations we have for the locations. We went to Canada, Bangkok, Pattaya, Rajasthan, Mumbai, Goa, Chennai. So lots of places, and you would see us in lots of different looks in the film, and I loved all the places. Yuvan Raj has done a great job in the music, for the music. I'm sure all of you know, and big fans of his I can see all over. I have been a big fan of Ilayaraja sir, and now Yuvan sir has done a great job in the film, and especially the Cartridge song is my favorite, and one Hindi song in a Tamil film, I think it's the first time in the history. I'm speechless. I'll just zip my mouth right now talking about anybody's look. It's better I look at my own look and leave it for the directors to say the other things. Yes, I think Parthiviran was a great film. Also, Ram was a very good film, but it was so much fun when he became my co-actor, and I did Kanite Punna song with him. Then he kept on saying, I don't know how to dance, I don't know how to dance, and I also thought that he did not know how to dance. But you know, see the final result, he actually has done a great and fantastic job. Oh, it was fun because everybody said that, you know, he's an angry young man of the industry, so don't talk to him, don't talk to him. I was like, fine, I'm a professional, I don't care, fine, I will just do my work and go. But there were so many times we had to interact, and he had to give me reactions and stuff, and he would not do that, so I could not do my bit. So the first question ever I asked Aamir sir was, are you scared of me? And he looked at me and he said no. I said, so why aren't you giving me any reaction? And since then, next 3 days when we were shooting for the song, I kept on talking to him in Hindi and English, and he kept on talking to me in Tamil, and we only laughed and laughed and laughed. So that's how I met Aamir, and that's how the song was done, and I thought he was a great dancer too. Well, I would say Tamil industry is much more gutsy and brave than Hindi films, because nobody follows here. They always try to do creative things. They always challenge their own selves. Everybody, they make sci-fi films, they make a ghost film, or they make children film, or rural setup, or you know, action, or 100 varied films. But in Hindi, what happens is that once somebody does a ghost film and it's a hit, everybody starts doing a ghost film. If it is a romantic film which is a hit, then everybody starts doing romantic film. So there they are trend followers. Here they are trend makers. So I would just say this about both the industries. I would not say anything about the role in Adi Bhagwan, but yes, I am a black belt 4th dan in Taekwondo. I have represented India too. I have done it for 16 years, and I would request all of you, all the girls especially who are listening to me and seeing me, to learn martial arts, self-defense, and request the government to make it compulsory in all the girls' school and girls' colleges.